Assalamu alaikum. Hopes you all are fine and doing well. As you know that the curriculum in Punjab has recently undergone a significant change. To help you navigate these changes, I am excited to launch a new series of solutions of different type of questions from new book. This video is for the solution of MCQs type questions of chapter number 1, which is states of matter and phase changes. The first MCQs is matter is present in neon signs in the state of. There are four options: supercritical fluid, plasma, gas, or liquid crystals. The right answer is plasma. Neon signs emit light due to the excitation of neon gas in a plasma state. So the option number B, plasma, is true. The second use is hazardous effects of shopping bags are studied in geochemistry, inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, or environmental chemistry. And the right answer is D, environmental chemistry. Because environmental chemistry deals with the study of pollutants and their effects on the ecosystem. The third MCQ is the man-made polymer is starch, polystyrene, protein, or cellulose. The right answer is B, polystyrene. Because polystyrene is a synthetic polymer that is widely used in packaging and insulation purposes. Fourth MCQ is the allotropic form of sulfur is brass, rhombic, graphite, or bronze. As we know that there are two stable allotropic forms of sulfur which are monoclinic and rhombic. So the right answer is B, rhombic. Fifth MCQ is which liquid among the following is a colloidal solution? Option number A is milk, B is slaked lime that is used for the whitewash, C vinegar solution, D mixture of silver chloride in water. And the right answer is A, milk, because milk is a colloidal solution where fat globules are dispersed in the water. MCQs number 6 is which of the following is a heterogeneous mixture? Option number A is a solution of calcium in hydroxide water, a solution of potassium nitrate in water, hot chocolate, or concrete mixture. And the right answer is concrete mixture. Option number D. Because concrete is a heterogeneous mixture, because its components, for example, cement, gravel, sand, and water, they are all not uniformly distributed. Option number D. Then MCQ number 7 is a state of matter whose properties are between those of liquids and crystalline solids. The correct option is liquid crystals. Option number A. Liquid crystals basically have the properties that are intermediate between liquids and solids, and it's also a thing that makes them unique. MCQs number 8 is when the tiny particles of a substance are dispersed through a medium, the mixture is named as. The correct answer is colloid. Option number B. Because colloids are the mixtures where small particles are dispersed in a medium without settling. Because when particles settle, those are suspensions. Then MCQs number 9 is that a solution of KClO3 has a solubility of about 13.2 gram per 100 centimeter cube at 40 degrees Celsius. How is solubility affected if you decrease the temperature? The option number A is solubility will increase, B is solubility will decrease, C is solubility will remain the same, and D is solubility will first increase and then it will decrease. But the correct option is B, the solubility will decrease. Because solubility of most solids in water decreases with the decrease in water. And as you know that there are three types of salts which are affected by the temperature. One are those in which the solubility has a direct relationship with temperature. When temperature increases, the solubility also increases. When temperature decreases, the solubility also decreases. So it is one of them. Then MCQ number 10th is you are studying the rate of hydrolysis of organic compound starch under different conditions of temperature. In which branch of chemistry is this topic? It basically falls in physical chemistry because physical chemistry deals with the study of reaction rates and mechanisms, including hydrolysis under different temperatures. So this is all from my side. If you have any questions, queries, or you want to give any feedback, kindly comment